Welcome to Code Station.
Hello friends, in this video we will be seeing how we will be handling this error, that is MySQL shutdown unexpectedly error. Many times after installation and after using the XAMPP for a specific time and while starting the MySQL database, we will be getting this particular error. So what all steps which are there in order to solve this error? In order to solve this error, what we need to do is that we first need to go to a C drive where we are having a XAMPP folder. In XAMPP folder, we will locate MySQL folder, and in this MySQL folder, we have to find this data folder. So what we will do is that we will rename this data folder to data underscore old. Okay, and then what we will do, whatever the backup folder is there, we will name that backup folder. We'll make a copy of this backup folder first. Okay, so we have made this copy of a backup folder. In order to make a copy, just copy the backup folder and we will be pasting the backup folder in a same location. So we'll get the copy of that backup folder and we will renaming that backup folder to a new data folder. Okay, after doing this, what we'll do, we will copy all the folders which are there in this particular old data folder. So we will copy all the folder except this MySQL folder. Then we will be having a performance schema folder and PHP MyAdmin folder. Okay, so we will be copying all the folder except this MySQL performance schema and my PHP MyAdmin folder, and we will copy in this data. Okay, so now all folders have been copied down. Then what we have to do is that we have to go to this data old. In that we have to search for IP data1 file, and what we'll do, we will copy this IP data1 file and we will be placing in this new data. So we will be replacing it. Okay, so what we will do, then we will start a MySQL folder. So now we can see that it is being started and we have solved the XAMPP error that we were facing related to MySQL. So stay connected with us for more such videos. Thank you.